Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In this video, I would like to talk about how we can create and use an alias in Linux. So, the first command is typing alias command with no options, like this. And this command will show me the default aliases defined for my user, like this. So, for my user, EC2 called EC2 minus user, the default aliases defined for this user is alias egrep, alias fgrep equal, etc. So, for example, if I take this alias ll, so instead of typing ls minus l minus minus color equal auto, I can type ll. So like this, ll give me this output, and also I can use ls instead of ll. I can use the all the full command ls minus l minus minus color equal auto, like this, and this command will give me the same output of ll. So now we can list by using alias command with no option. We can list the predefined or the defined alias for my user. So to create aliases in Linux, it's easy and rapid or quick. So we can create two types of aliases. The first one is temporary alias, and the second is a permanent alias. So I want to start by creating a temporary alias. To do this, I want to so I want to just for my alias, I want to my alias do this command cat slash etc slash passwd pipe grep, then the name of my user ec2 minus user, like this. And as you can see, this command give me the line in the slash etc slash passwd file, and this line will give me some information about my user. So the username, the user ID, the group ID, the home user, and the type of shell using by my user. So it's bash. So to create this temporary alias, I want to type alias like this command, then the alias name. So I want to the alias name, it will be user like this. It's my alias name equal, and then between double quote like this, I will copy and paste this command here, and then I end my command line by using another double quote like this. Then I press enter, and by pressing enter now I want to list all my default aliases using by my user like this. And as you can see here, we can find a new entry in this list, and this entry alias user equal all the full comment. So now I want to test this alias. So by how we can test it? Just by typing the alias name user like this. And as you can see, instead of typing the full command, I can replace it by typing only the alias name user. So that's how we can create a temporary alias. But the problem with the temporary alias, or the disadvantage with that alias, is that it will only be available for your current terminal session. So if I exit or I log out from this terminal ec2 minus user, I can this alias will no longer be available. So if I want to save my alias across sessions, I want to need to create a permanent alias. How we can do it? So how we can do it? We have the first thing we have to do is to find the point bash rc file. So I want to use pwd, so I'm here under /home/ec2 minus user, and if I type here in my home directory ls-a to list all the cached file, I can see the point bash rc file. So I want to use the program vim like this to modify this file, point bash rc like this. And now on the end of this file, I can type my alias like this, alias user equal the full command, then the full command cat /etc/passwd pipe grep ec2 minus user like this. Then I save and I exit. And now I have created a permanent alias. So if I exit or I change user or I log out or I shut down or reboot the server, the alias will be available for and used by my user like this. So, and now the last thing for this video, how we can remove an alias added for my user. So to remove it, it's easy and simple. We have to type this command alias like this, and then alias like this, and then the alias name. So the alias name is user like this. And now I have deleted or removed the alias added for my user. So just to test, I will type user like this and command not found. And the last thing, to remove all aliases, we can use unalias like this -a, and A stands for all, to remove all aliases defined for my user. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.